Canva, like many other platforms, offers shortcuts designed to speed up your workflow. You can always find a list of shortcuts for an element in your design by right-clicking or selecting the 3 dots in the toolbar. In our example, clicking on the dots opens a drop-down menu displaying options like copy, copy style, paste, and duplicate. And if you look over to the right, you will see their corresponding shortcuts listed. The more you use the shortcuts, the more second nature it becomes. I do have a list of all the shortcuts available, so if you want one, just leave a note in comments. Control-A selects and highlights everything on the page. Clicking again anywhere deselects. Control-D will duplicate whatever it is you have highlighted. Control-C copies your selection to the clipboard. Control-V will paste the saved copy. To copy a style, use Control, Alt, and C. To group elements together is Control-G, and to ungroup, Control, Shift, and G. To print is Control-P. To save a file is Control-S. To cut a highlighted item and place it on the clipboard is Control-X, and Control-V will allow you to paste it somewhere else. To undo what you just did, use Control-Z. And if you need to redo or repeat the last thing you did again, use Control-Y. To find and replace text is Control-F. The shortcut for adding a link is Control-K. Adding a new page shortcut is Control-Return, and to delete a page is Control-Backspace. To add a comment, use Control-Alt-N. If you want to move an element one layer forward at a time, use Control and the closing square bracket. Control, Alt, and the closing square bracket will bring the highlighted element directly to the front. Sending a highlighted element backwards one layer is Control opening bracket. Sending a layer directly to the back is Control-Alt opening bracket. Control-B bolds highlighted text. Repeating Control-B removes it. Same goes for italicizing with Control-I, and repeating it removes the element from the text. Underlining a text is Control-U, and again using Control-U will remove it. To increase the font size, the shortcut is Control, Shift, and the greater than symbol. And to decrease the font size, it's Control, Shift, and the less than sign. To zoom in is Control plus. Zooming out is Control minus. Control-0 is to bring to 100%. Zoom to fit in is Control-Alt-0. To add a line on your design, use the L key. Add a rectangle or square, the R key. C adds a circle, T adds a text box, and S adds a sticky note to the page. You can add a heart to your design by using the / key and typing heart. A shortcut to move to the next comment is the N key, and Shift-N goes back to the previous comment. To toggle rulers and guides, use Shift-F. To add an emoji is Shift and semicolon. However, this works only in Canva Docs and comments. Alt-1 opens the Layers panel. Alt-Shift-L locks a position. If you want a copy of the list, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.